Hello everyone, myself Khushi. I am a law student in IME Law College and I am here as a legal intern in very popular law firm LEXIS and Company. So guys, today we are going to discuss on a topic: when can a husband claim maintenance from his wife? So let's begin from this question that can man, can husband can claim a maintenance from his wife? As all of you know, after the divorce, after the separation, it is a rule. It is the man, the husband is obliged. It is a necessary for him that they have to give some maintenance to his wife after separation, after divorce. But to opposite it, can there is there is any provision which is related to that the husband can claim maintenance from his wife? So let's discuss this question in this video. First of all, we will discuss that what is the concept of the maintenance. Maintenance is a amount which a husband is obliged, or we can say he is bound, pay to his wife either upon the divorce or a separation under the certain condition during his marital their marital life. The personal laws in the maintenance applies to people belongs to those religion. Means the maintenance concept is very to different personal religion, or we can say personal laws, where the maintenance claim under the section 125 CRPC can file by the anyone. Now we will discuss the concept of maintenance according to the different personal laws like Hindu, Muslim, Sikhs, and Christian. So let's begin and discuss one by one. According to the Hindu personal law, the Hindu Marriage Act 1955 and the Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act 1956 give a woman the right to claim the maintenance after the divorce. It is according to the Hindu religion. In the Muslim religion, under the Muslim Woman Protection of the Right on a Divorce Act 1986, the wife has paid to maintenance in the idadat period, and the meher has to be returned after the divorce, after the talaq in the Muslim religion. If we're talking about the Christian religion, in the Christian religion, under section 37 of Indian Divorce Act 1869, the divorced wife can maintain maintenance of his life by applying in a civil or a high court. They can take a maintenance from his wife after the divorce. In the Parsi Religion and Divorce Act 1936 makes a husband liable to wife for life if the remaining remains unmarried after divorce, and can get a maximum of the 1/5 of his net income. That is the right of the wife. Then they can take a 1/5 salary or income of his husband. This is the maintenance concept, which is written in different personal laws and religion laws like Hindu, Muslim, Parsi, and Christian. Now the question: can man can claim for the maintenance? Yes, if man cannot support themselves for the financially, if they have no job and no source of any financial help, they can claim maintenance from his wife who are financially well off and earning money more than them. If wife she is empowered and she earn money, then on the opposite of them, the husband who are not financially well, and they have a less income than his wife, then they can claim to his wife for the maintenance. The man, the husband, can also claim for the maintenance. And this can be done under the section 24 of Hindu Marriage Act 1951, that man can also claim for the maintenance from his wife if his wife earn well off, the earning more than them, they can claim for the maintenance from his wife. Now we will discuss that what is the criteria for deciding the maintenance. The status of the parties and reasonable needs are there for the criteria to deciding the maintenance. Whether the applicant has any independent source of income, whether she was working during the substances of the marriage, reasonable cost of litigation for non-working wife, whether the applicant is educated and personally qualified. So this is a criteria which decided the maintenance of husband and wife. So this is all about this topic. In this topic, we will discuss that can man also claim for the maintenance from his wife? So answer is yes, they can claim after the divorce, after the separation from his wife. If his wife uh, earning more than him, and she is more empowered than him, the husband can claim for the maintenance. So this is all about this topic. If you have any question and any query about this topic, then you have to ask me in a comment box, and I will give my best to answer you. So very thank you to all to watching this video.